am here today with an unboxing from Louis Vuitton. I went down Saturday to get a few items, but one of them I had to order. But if you remember, I did the fragrance test on the 3 candle set, and I picked one right away that I wanted to have in the large size. So here is the box in the Chinese New Year packaging, which I absolutely love. I love all holiday packaging, but red's my favorite color, and the red and gold combo is chef's kiss. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my gosh. The paper is just beautiful. Oh yeah, this is staying. This paper is staying, and I actually like this magnetic box. Those are my favorite. They're great for storing small bits in. So yeah, that's beautiful. That's going all together. If you didn't watch my video, the Smell-O-Vision, I really tried my best to communicate through the screen what the 3 candles smelled like for you guys. It was just a fun thing to do based off somebody asking me, how do they smell? Tell us how they smell. So I said, let's try it. So I threw that together, and I will tag that video here. Yeah, it was kind of fun. You gotta have fun doing this stuff, right? That's why I'm here. So here's the beautiful white box. Even with the candles, you get a big care booklet that comes with. Here's the lid. Aww. And this is really cute. I like the style for home. I'll show you what piece on here I really like. I like this right here. This is, I believe this is vachette leather, and it says Louis Vuitton right there. It's like a little handle, but of course you're going to slide that down before you light it. It's a piece of plastic on top. So this was the blue wick candle, if you remember from the video. So this is ÜLE Blanche. This is the one that I said I believe has like a linen clean scent. With a bit of perfume in it. I love linen. I love the clean smell, cottony, and so I do like the hit of a fragrance, flowery, slight flower, not rose. This is so cute. But if you have any more questions on the scents, I am not the scent guru, but I'm really into fragrances and candles for some reason right now. Feel free to ask below. And if you need an SA, I have a few that can help you with your Louis Vuitton purchases, and also help you earn money on those Louis Vuitton purchases through shopping through my favorite store. Let me know, I'll hook you up. I don't get anything for it, but I just like to help girlfriends and boyfriends out. That's just how I am. And I can't wait for my other item to get here. I'm very excited about that. I'm glad I went in to try it, and I see I need to get it in another size. So I'm really glad that I did go in to try it out, because I wanted what they had right then and there, and then I'll be able to talk sizing with you on that when that comes in. I'll post a picture of this baby on my Instagram so you can get a better look. I might do a little video circle around it so you can see what it looks like up close. So if you buy Jo Malone or some of the other high-end candles, this might be worth looking into as well if you have your undying love for Louis Vuitton. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I like the love. And to my subscribers, I also wanted to say thank you. I don't have a ton of subscribers, but I love interacting with you guys, and I love hearing that you do love the videos. If you think you have friends that would enjoy following me, please share your favorite video of mine with them. I would appreciate that, truly. But I did want to tell you guys especially, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I do. I honestly, from my heart, I do appreciate your follows, and you count to me. So thank you. All right, I will see you guys again. Take care. Have a great rest of the week. Bye.